It's not just to make consumers addicted that certain brands sell food that is so high in sugar and fats. That's what this former consultant at Dominos Pizza, the most developed fast food brand in India, explains to us. This former chef prefers to stay anonymous.
This also I made. Hi, can we get one garlic bread?
He wants to show us products that illustrate the deceptive marketing of the brand.
Garlic bread, do you put butter in it? Oil. Okay. It's for 20 rupees, which is like nice and cheap. Yeah. So it's basically bread with the filling, and that's the sauce, you know, that's the sauce and there's so much oil. It's not the real mozzarella. And inside it's supposed to be cheesy. This is like a cream emulsified mayo, like this. Now it gives you an effect of a real cheese, but this is basically like a sauce. So it's definitely no dairy.
Why don't they use real butter?
Oh, it's expensive.
After 6 months of working for the company, the chef decided to resign, sickened.
Everything is superb to make money, and as long as money is getting made, so there is no right or wrong. They had a lot of problems with me because I used to give food as food, not as chemical construction of something, but all my ideas in all rejected because they were extremely expensive, because I can't make a pizza for 30 rupees. I mean, I can't, which has to value people at the end of it. It's not right, you know, because at the end of it, it's a cycle which will come back to you, so yeah.
In India, Domino's doesn't provide any nutritional information. It's legal in India, but would be illegal in France. We had these products analyzed in a laboratory, starting with a pizza filled with fake cheese. It contains 52 grams of fat, the equivalent of 5 soup spoons of oil, and effectively not a single gram of cheese. As for the 30-cent garlic bread, it contains 11.6% saturated fats, a nutritional nightmare. We approached Domino's, McDonald's, KFC, but to no avail. None of them responded to our interview requests. So we went to an event that was open to the press, the General Assembly of the Association of Indian Restaurants in a trendy bar in New Delhi. All of the heads of the major brands were there, having a drink, including the Director General of Dominos Pizza in India.
I'm sorry to interrupt once again. I have to ask you one question.
I'm out here. I don't want interviews. Sorry.
Why is Domino's publishing no information about nutrition in India?
No, I have no answer.
You know? Because Domino's is publishing information in the US, but not in India. You don't want to answer?
I don't want.
You don't want to answer on that?
Oh, yeah.
Does it mean that Domino's doesn't care about nutrition?
Can you just leave this place?
I am a journalist. I ask questions.
The head of HR comes to the rescue.
What do you want?
My question is very simple. Obesity is a problem in your country.
Absolutely. There are so many other problems
So,
also. Yes.
isn't it not responsible not to publish any details?
See, I'm not authorized to speak. I'm not authorized to speak. But that's why I'm saying whatever questions you have, you will get all the answers, and we will send you all the responses.
Obesity is just one problem among others to Domino's. We never receive a response despite trying multiple times.